Second one? Because what's the vertex? What value of x gives you a 0 here? 5. And what is the vertical shift? All right, so that is the easiest one to solve. Right? The intercept form would probably be next, right? Because the vertex are actually between the two of these, but this one, if you take your x-coordinate of the vertex, is found by taking the average of your two intercepts. So the two intercepts are the values of x that give you a 0 here. So if you take the average of 2 and -6, that is the x-coordinate. Right? And so here, if you take or combine those, you get -4 over 2, which is -2. Okay, so there's your x-coordinate. And then the second part of this is you just evaluate for whatever you got for your x-coordinate. So if I plug in a -2 here, that's going to give me 4 times -2 minus 2 is -4 times -2 plus 6 is +4. And so here, when you multiply these, I get 4 cubed, which is 64 times the negative. So -64. So I could still do this one pretty easily by hand calculations. Okay, the final one, the general form on this one, the vertex is found by taking my -b over 2a. So -b is -6 over 2 times a, which is 2. The negatives cancel. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I'm looking at +3/2 for my x-coordinate. And now this gives me a fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and use my calculator to evaluate this. And when I evaluate it, I'm going to use the with key on my evaluation. So I'm just going to type in my expression exactly as it appears. So 2x squared minus 6x plus 5. I'm going to use this with key, vertical bar, x equals, and I'm going to type my expression 3 over 2. And when I do that, it's going to give me my answer as a fraction, which is 1/2. And so that would be my final vertex.